America Shaw. I have a job for you.
What brings you to West Baden?
I'm a filmmaker.
One of the most promising new voices in American documentary.
I am your biggest fan. The way that you talk about how projects haunted you.
Documentary. What's it about?
Campbell Bradford.
Certain stories, they just refuse to die.
Mr. Bradford, tell me about the town.
What have you done?
What's that?
Nothing.
You try the water?
What the fuck is this? Turn the camera off.
No, something horrible is gonna happen here.
Can't run from what you are. You want to know about me?